Unboxing the WS3900. Overview of all components and accessories. Installing the wind vane. Mount it onto the bottom pole. Make sure it's aligned, then slide it into place. Tighten the screw to secure it, but do not over-tighten installing the wind cups. Tighten the screw to secure it, but avoid over-tightening. Peel off the protective film from the solar panel. Outdoor sensor assembly complete, displaying it with the WS3900 console. Next, let's move on to the outdoor installation process. Snap the mounting bracket into the slot at the bottom of the device. Loosely slide the U-bolts onto the pole. Position it on the pole, then use a wrench to tighten the nuts securely. Check the bubble level to ensure the unit is perfectly horizontal. Make sure the west indicator is pointing west. Installation complete.
Use your phone camera to scan the QR code on the box. Open the link from the QR code. Find the Ecowitt app download button on the page. Download and install the Ecowitt app according to your device. Open the Ecowitt app. Enable app notifications. Allow Wi-Fi and cellular data access. Follow the in-app instructions to register your Ecowitt account. Enter the verification code you received. Create and confirm your password. Tap the Register button to complete your account setup. To begin the Wi-Fi configuration process. For new users, simply click Add New Devices. If you already have data displayed, go to the menu, select Devices, tap Add New Devices, and then choose the model you want as shown on the left. Tap the icon of the configured gateway model WS3910. Tap Wi-Fi provisioning. Before proceeding, make sure the gateway's hotspot WS39XXXXX is already turned on. Turn off the cellular data feature on your phone. Then, switch your phone's network and connect to the gateway hotspot WS3910A Wi-Fi EF86. Return to the app and tap Next. Wait for the app to proceed to the Wi-Fi setup page. Enter your Wi-Fi information and make sure it's not a 5G network. Tap Submit to send the information. Switch networks to ensure smooth configuration of the gateway afterward. This step depends on your device version. Some new devices switch automatically via your mobile network. Just wait, as shown on the left. Others require you to manually switch to a non-5 GHz Wi-Fi network, like the demonstration on the right. Tap Confirm. Wait for the data to upload. Data upload successful. Wi-Fi configuration is complete. Once View Online Data lights up, tap it to view your data. Following is pairing with the sensor. Tap the More at the top right corner of the app, then select the sensor ID. Tap Register to register the sensor. Enter the sensor ID from the device to successfully complete pairing.